It provides goodness, opportunities in our life. If at all you want to know more information about your birth chart, if at all you want to know where exactly your natal Jupiter is sitting in your birth chart, you need to book for the consultation so that I can provide 2 to 3 years of my time, and I can provide you the analysis, and you can keep that report for next 1 year, and you can keep referring to that report on different events that might occur in your life. Astrology is just everything, and the most benefic planet like Jupiter is transiting into Capricorn from Sagittarius is a really good sign for learning and also to get that positive energy in our lives. All right, so see you in the consultation. Book the consultation from the link mentioned in the description section, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'll be sharing loads of information to you so that you can able to learn astrology on your own. All right, so see you in the consultation. Have a nice day. Bye. Debilitate. Debilitated Jupiter moves through the ninth house, which is representing your luck, destiny, long distance travel, and blessings of higher soul. Debilitated Jupiter moving through the ninth house has direct aspect over the third house and has eye over your sign. We try to view effect of movement of debilitated Jupiter and its influence over different aspects. Let me discuss about your career. If you're not happy with happenings on work lately, some major breakthrough for your work front is envisaged. This applies to job holder and business person as well. However, a pace of progress will not be fast enough. With new opportunity, new challenges are to come up. Accept new challenges willingly and keep working over the same. Try to improve performance for getting higher returns from your efforts. Career need proper footsteps for becoming successful. Please book for Jupiter Transit report. The link is mentioned in the description section so that I can able to provide you complete analysis about your career. On the financial front, no major gain is foreseen for you. However, marginal increase in inflow keeps you happy. No major expense is foreseen here for you. You need to plan your finances in a long term in a view so that you keep enough provision for contingency. You ought to remain a healthy financial position most of the time. Let's enrich your life with prosperity in the year 2020 and 2021. Please book for astrology consultation for the Jupiter Transit report analysis. The link is mentioned in the description section so that I can able to provide complete analysis. You are to enjoy good health condition most of the time. However, do not neglect minor health issues. Treat the same with due remedial measures promptly to save from complication. You need to take precautionary measures to save from prevailing viral infection catching up with you. You are feel comfortable in personal life. No serious issue will be disturbing your peace. Try to indulge in some creative activities whichever interests you. This kind of activity refreshes your mind and can provide you good job satisfaction. Please book for Jupiter Transit report. The link is mentioned in the description section so that I can able to provide complete analysis with regards to Jupiter Transit for the Taurus zodiac sign. Thank you.